I turned this product to an ad poster. Make a new document with these height and width shown. Drag and drop the poster and pick the color for the background. By using pen tool, select the shape. Drop the background and clip the background with the shape. Transform and adjust it properly. Place the bottle on the table and adjust it. Add exposure to the background. Also fill the exposure to the bottle and correct with brush. By using curves, add highlights to the bottle. With layer masking, remove unwanted things in the bottle. Remove some white lights in the bottle by using curves. Make shadow on the table using exposure. Darken the bottom layer of the bottle by making new layer. Group all the layers and make drop shadow effect. Make new layer and mask it. Drop the image and change its layer style. Add a glow-like effect. Make exposure for the background. Mask the text and place it. Create the drop shadow for the text. Add text in bottom.